What is going on with you, YouTube? This is Dave from Tech Refresh coming at you with another video. All right, the audio sounds a little weird. I'm recording this with the Pixel 6 voice recorder, so I just kind of wanted to see how it sounds, and that's why it might sound a little weird. But we're looking at samples from the Pixel 6 Pro. I had it first weekend having a phone. I had it in Vegas. Got to take a bunch of pictures, and let me just say this camera doesn't miss. Now, the reason why I titled the video "No Comparison" is because every video I've seen on YouTube is comparing it against something. Comparing it against the iPhone 13, comparing it against the S21. That's fun and all. I've watched a bunch of those videos, been thoroughly entertained, but that's not how I judge a camera, man. I judge a camera based on reliability. If I take a picture with it, can I use the picture? Do I want to keep the picture? Is it going to mess up my one-time shot at something? And I could say every photo I took was reliable with this phone. Now, could I have taken better pictures with another camera? Of course. The iPhone 13 is going to outperform it in certain areas, but I don't judge cameras that way. I didn't take a picture all weekend and say, man, I wish I had an iPhone 13. And most people don't. So that's why I said no comparison. We're just putting the Pixel up. Can it hold its own? It absolutely can. I was fully satisfied for my weekend in Vegas, taking photos. Now, I want to do my day-to-day photos, taking pictures and video of my 4-year-old's Taekwondo class and just things I do daily, not, being on vacation. But overall, I know I'm going to be satisfied. I've always been a fan of the Pixel's camera, and this is no exception. Man, look, these smartphone cameras are outstanding. You really can't go wrong if you buy a flagship or even some mid-range phones. Pixel 6 Pro camera lives up to the hype, in my opinion. It's a great camera. You're not going to be disappointed if you have a Pixel 6. Get active in the comments. Let me know your impression on the camera. I'll get at you guys another time. Peace.